So, today we're going to talk about the normal anatomy of speech, language, and hearing. So, language is the knowledge or use of a symbol system to communicate. It refers to vocabulary and syntax, independent of mode of production. Speech is the verbal means of communicating. It's the motor act of articulation producing sound. It is a physical activity involving both gesture and anatomical components, and it is also a mental activity. So it involves the brain in all its complexities, such as the ability to decode, to interpret, and to perceive. With aphasia and children with learning disabilities have this type of problem. I'm very sure in the future subject you'll get to learn more about this disease, the basic syndrome, and how to deal with it. The body is basically divided into 3 regions and 5 cavities. So the regions are, of course, the trunk and the torso, the skull, head, and the extremities, which are the arms and legs. Okay? And for the cavities, you have cranial, vertebral, thoracic, pericardial, abdominal. Okay? So, yeah, again, in terms of orientation, so superior, inferior, anterior is front, posterior is to the back, lateral is to the side. So, maririnig nyo kasi yung mga ano. Kaya importante yan, maririnig yan from, pag nakausap yung mga doctors, they'll say you have a disease affecting the lateral part of your brain. So, yung sabihin, pag lateral, nasa gilid. Pag sinabi na anterior part of your brain, sa brain front. So, yun. Ngayon, pag nakikipag-usap kayo, naiintindihan niyo naman yung sinasabi ng doktor, pag tayo anterior, okay, dito pala yung sa harap. So, siya na kayo nangyari, baka nahundog sa harap. Pag kinag-posterior dito, baka nahundog pa talikod. From the visual cortex here, or the auditory cortex, the signals go to Wernicke's area, which processes both visual and spoken information on this side. And then from there, it goes to the front, which is Broca's area, and triggers speech production. You'll hear more about Wernicke's and Broca's in later, no? I'm sure you've already heard of Broca's aphasia, Wernicke's aphasia. So you hear more of that here. So after going to Broca's area, this then goes to the motor cortex, which controls the physical aspect of speech. Pag apektado ang motor cortex ng tao, hindi siya makapag-produce ng speech kasi hindi niya makakontrol yung opening ng mouth, yung whatever, yung cheeks, etc., all the muscles. Ito, diba? That's a very important structure, the eardrum. Sa mga taong butas ng ang eardrum nila, talagang bawas na bawas ang pagdinig. Kasi, pag butas yan, yung hangin, dala-dala siya sa loob, hindi siya na, basically, isa na kaya ang eardrum eh. It bangs on it. The sound bangs on it, and it transfers to these structures, which amplify sound. Kumbaga sa stereo system, amplifier yan eh, before it goes here. So, pag butas ang tenga mo, wala, dire-diretso lang yan, hangin lang yan. So, the steps to speech production, I've shown this earlier. So, when we want to speak, the first thing that is triggered is the brain. The brain is telling your body, okay, I'm going to speak now. So, the brain triggers these 5 steps. Okay? Important for the exam. The first step is that the diaphragm muscles, it helps inflate and deflate the lungs. So it inflates the lungs and deflates it to release air. The lungs then pump air up to the mouth. Now, as it goes up, dadaan siya dito sa vocal cords, which vibrate that air. The vibrating air is the one that turns into sound. No? Kung may problema ka sa vocal cords, you cannot produce sound. Or you can produce sound, pero distorted ko. Unintelligible. Kaya diba ang ibigin? And then when it goes up some more, then the nose, mouth, lips, and tongue, they modify this to form words. So sound pa lang yan, pero this whole structure here is the one that actually forms the word. No? Kasi you try to talk with your mouth just open na hindi moving. Wala na intindihan. Wala kami maintindihan. So, kung wala itong structures na to, you cannot form the words unless you're Stephen Hawking. And then, it goes out, and the words exit them out, and after completing steps 1 to 5. So, doon, ipapadala niyo yung sound to the listener.